I never thought I'd be a professional fitness influencer or videographer or photographer. I definitely never thought I'd be living most of my adult life overseas, not even in Georgia. I mean, all I knew up until this point was boiled peanuts, video games, and the fact that the Falcons will never win a Super Bowl. One, two, 1, 2, 3, hit. Okay. New hair, who this, right? So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Micah. I primarily do fitness content, but that's kind of what I wanted to talk about because I don't know, I feel like I have so much more to offer. So other than just doing push-ups until I turn blue in the face, I naturally have a very active imagination, like very active. I never stop. Started as a photographer back in Japan again, then on to Sicily in Italy. I kind of dabbled in filmmaking, and you know, that's kind of like my passion. I do more than just push-ups, and I feel like nobody knows that. So I feel like fitness influencers only have that one thing, and I feel like it's, you know, kind of oversaturated, right? Like, how many ways can one person say do push-ups? How many ways can one person talk about a plant-based diet, right? So there's not really a niche for that. Like, you pick one lane, that's like the rule, right? That's the rule. You have to do this one thing and that one thing only. I think I kind of want to break that. On this platform, along with my Instagram where I post the most, and along with my TikTok, I will be uploading short films, cinematics, but still coming through with the fitness value. I'm still gonna help you get these. I feel like I just have so much more to offer. You don't know how hard it is to cross your legs. Also, speaking of which, today's Christmas. Merry Christmas. I almost forgot. Also, I plan on doing like a little mail time video. I already sent my address out, so if you want to send me stuff, I did it once. And it was cool at first. Here, let me just show you one of these. Like, it was cool at first. Like, you know, some kid who watches my channel, he sent me like the emotional card and whatnot. He even drew a little figure on there. He talks about having like a very Merry Christmas, right? And then I kind of looked closer at this picture and I was like, come on, bro. Not the kids, bro. Not the kids. I feel like it's not easy trying to be different than everybody else, but it's definitely easier just being yourself. I don't want people to label me as just a fitness influencer or photographer, videographer, because I know I'm so much more. If somebody tells you that something's impossible or you're not cut out for this, you should make it your goal to prove them wrong. That's why I am the person I am today. The most impressive person is somebody who finds something that they love and they don't care what anybody says about it. Those are few and far between. This is just beginning, and I appreciate everybody's support. Let's keep dreaming.